Welding temperature sensors such as PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples can be challenging due to inconsistent heat control and the delicate nature of the components. The TATE PT100 Welding Machine addresses these challenges with precision, stability, and efficiency. Our machine features cutting-edge technology that ensures accurate temperature regulation throughout the welding process, preventing thermal damage to your sensors. Whether you need to weld high-precision RTDs or robust thermocouples, the TATE PT100 ensures that your sensors remain accurate and reliable. Minimize defects, reduce scrap rates, and improve production efficiency with the TATE PT100 Welding Machine. As the original manufacturer, we provide high-performance solutions and unmatched customer service. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more information, email info@oaktate.com.